To fix the problem where Bluetooth devices won't connect on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter General Management right here, and then we can scroll down to the Reset option. Now look for Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. If you select this, you'll be able to reset settings for both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you want to proceed, you can. If not, don't do it. So click on Reset Settings, and that way both of those options will reset to default, and that should fix any problems with a Bluetooth. In case that you still encounter problems while connecting Bluetooth device, then I would recommend to either try to connect that Bluetooth device with other phone than your S26 Ultra and see if it works on other devices, and also try to connect other Bluetooth device to this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and see if it works as well, because sometimes maybe your Bluetooth device is broken and not the phone itself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.